Bravo Fede.
I'm all right, my brother.
Great, no, Jack. I'm right. Bengibukela uDaddy zona. Akusuka kuphela inkinga yokuspela nibaningi kule khanda. uDaddy American report iphuma nothing fun about the American report. People died. But why the official document is 600 pages. Sorry, fanele ifundo bani lento. uDaddy. Actually textbook. Ekhumbula igoda leka standard 1 12 pages ubaba uyifunde 3 months yeah. Fanele afunde 600 pages of real English of skewed damages hayi ubaba ngeke lunga uvela ngicela niyehlise highlight into engathi zibalekile nje abo shooting abo clear okay ngifunde yonke ngingedwa bathi hayi bakekho ozokuncedisa kanti ugwele wenzani andiyofunda mina ngiza elaborate later kwangoku banike data zathi yeah ngomuntu uDaddy phela uneyithomba akana magama amdrawile ithomba ukuthi Badraw noma Mpiyega lapha wathi yeah kune problem ngalo mama why basuka lo mama ngathi uyakuphela ngathi lo mama uyebeka phethe ibhanga
you know
hoy basuka lo mama ngoba mama kana uyiva akana hairstyle la sakayasuka manje elibuka ibheda yakhe 3 weeks ago how sakazosukela abangena boka how abantu baba lo uRamaphosa how but right how Ramaphosa but beka right bakazibhiza ngamabheka ngathi siyazi owner beka ibalimala khadla amabheka how lo mama nobheka lo mama lo but yeah ngithi ubheka uzohamba angithi ufana nobheki ubheka icele bayigroup ngibaya kanje ngathi bayazana ngomuntu ubheka icele noma Mpiyega babe kanje ungafunga ukuthi laba boyithuba dlala iPirates ngifunda yonke le 600 pages yeah offer skill hey kufiwe la to my family sorry kodwa bantu la
he did better yesterday
he did better befela report bayinikeza umuntu wangada eZimbabwe nifundela nifuna nifundele report athi mina Jareke zimbi indaba bantu baqoshwa la mama Mpiyega wena mela sayidini usankingeni wena akayifuni hey summarize wena budi Ramaphosa dana la sondela right wena nakujana bravo bengno Thomas Chauke la dude that's dope Thomas Chauke is Casper Nyovest Indian till today Joe
for years
ziza amasonga babona Thomas Chauke bathi the podcast and lalela ke akana abantu abamjayivelayo bonke amamedi wakhe bonke cabanga amamedi akayi7 la dana laba kutebo lokho twerk ungatwerka wena so from twerkela.
We're talking about something. Obviously, we don't want it to be morbid. It's really about celebration of life.
Yeah.
Since it's a Friday, have you ever cheated death?
I have like 4 times.
Death? Hey, kaningi. La ngibuya khona hey bazakuthelele plate bathi idlala uthi lo muntu othi idlala ujulukile yena uthangeke umbuzo wangi idla ngithanda ukukhuluma idla ngiyakhuluma namhlanje nabo bhuti babo idla sibona wangisuthi how so suthi njengoba umlomo ombhashe kanje idla 1 ngacheat death lapho 2 bengihlale eRomini email yami yangena ngibambile yathi sikhumbuzo ngathi yazi ngenzani beyikhala ngibambe ngiphethe yellow bone nami ngakhala yathi baby sorry mapona 2 hey dad hey ngiphumile intweni mina daddy unokubheka ukufa kanje ngithi angeke ufa nje yazi umjolo ukufa nje umjolo uthi uchecka kuphuma bakhona and then lo baba ubuye ejele and uhlele stand rooms and then wavela waneka into zakho nje la ubani baba mina ngisonta naye Oh niyasona. Thandaza, gcina ukuthandaza mina. Uzozwala mina baba uNkulunkulu umdala ezweni nomhlaba, singane zakho sengizoshona baba. Naligedlela liyabila ekitchen mama khona ethi kwalesi igedlela libila. Bafuna ukuthi alibile lithi libila la wena. Baba sezizofa sikudala. uNkulunkulu sibonga yonke into sipha yona. Njengoba ngifa baba ngine 12,000 emotweni. Ngona ngibabhadala. Ithi amen usinike something man.
Every time we play this song, the lines line up on Twitter. It goes crazy. This is the song. This is
ingoma zokujive lezi aselingoma zamagawuti.
Ukhe ngoma zegouts.
Ziningi.
Sure, no.
Phela la bekuno Brad Thomas Chauke no Brad Don la abahleli laba yithi bobondi la shukela gawuti and amodu Brad Don ngitshela bakhulu mana ngengizayo like that's why antswemu ngepiano ayike into angayenza makangaringo la so angacula makangacula
Scoob.
no that's the thing no
She laughs. I cannot believe you.
You know,
Thomas but when the album when the album to Thomas Chauke no Brad Don yo Thomas like Thomas, don't shout. Brad Don is quiet, is calm. Like, Thomas, probably is under the table. Thomas, don't shout. This is a thing. This is piano. This is jazz. And TV jazz. Mina look over the. Labak tracking. Tanan, madam. Afatwa me, bafaz bakwat. Ifikile, papa ni ifikile. Athi nekombela gore listen hey yamazu Braton angithi yamazu khuluma ngathi vele noshuka la usave energy and listen hey Thomas listen as much as you went to France people know you in the world antibela ko tipatiki bathi babalamlela ba nagiyana mla athi lokase makina na shebidi leskathi abafazi bakhe bajuluke bonke Nikombela toilet paper. Like laba bangacula noma nga. Angathi nikombela toilet paper. Listen. Udon lakela bakhona mana ane order noma kwakhe. Baby, hey ngicela ungiphakele. Ngifake ishebo like little don't overdo it. Thomas Chauke kadlala kwakhe. Nikombela papa nasishebo. Ekwembuzo. Like angazi izinto zamatsoko. Hlala kunenkukhu ehlatshiwe. Unenkukhu ehlatshiwe nini? Ibanjwe nini yaquthwa nini? Bafika minjani bhuti mphakele lo. Quarter chicken. Spinach. Enjani futhi? Manjani basasekile.
Don't forget the mug.
Tsongas are the best people ever. Like
Very hospitable people.
Yabafana amaXhosa. Khona manje kwena nkulu you are engaged. And obvious engage iXhosa. Lisenze ukuthi nomakula. Ndiyazi papa kuba ndi broke. Go, blinking. And yabuza ke wena malini lento? 20,000. And that TV. And I'm bad. And I complain amaXhosa no bad and that TV. Indaze my ring.
This is crazy.
Amatsonga aba engage.
Where are you going to be this weekend, Scuba?
I'm driving to Newcastle in the next 2 hours. I'm going to have a breakfast right now with Loyiso Gola. He's doing his one-man show in Pretoria tonight. So if you're out in Pretoria, go support the brand. I mean, I was yesterday listening to your show. Good guy, funny guy. So yeah, go out to Pretoria and so share breakfast no Loyiso. Then Newcastle tomorrow. You chilla no Shimza. Sunday no teachers. You know, Baba. Nalabantu bakhe abafuna ukumotivate abangazi babize imali yazi babize mina yeah usenmani ayike into enyenza stage babukhe mina babukhe uzenza comedy nyongela la thini the yeah you know yasiyapusha top boy bas suspend ukuthi kusala sayifula lento izwane thiqa
I'm supposed to do a live read.
Shall I span but
Sangela boy bayazi nabo abayazi bangamqosha bamriya biyekho kusala thiqa banibabhodile Americano kusala kuna problem that so vula manje sibanikeza ama-mobile for thiqa
Goodbye, Scoob. Goodbye. Get out of my studio.